Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing the get to know me tag. I've been doing YouTube nearly a year now, which is just mad, and I realised that you don't actually know that much about me apart from that I like makeup. So I thought I'd do this tag so you can get to know a little bit more about me, because I haven't really shared that much with you. So I'm going to stop rambling right now and get into the questions I have, and I have 20 to answer. I just put this in Google and asked for get to know me tag and just chose like some of the ones that I thought might be more interesting for you. So let's get into it. So my middle name is Michelle. My mum actually wanted to call me this, but my dad didn't like it, so they sort of compromised and that ended up as my middle name. And I used to really hate it, but I've sort of grown to like it. My favourite colour is purple, and I would love to dye my hair purple, but I'm so scared of having to bleach it and it just going wrong or it just not looking right. But yeah, I would love to have purple hair, and purple is my favourite colour. I didn't really do much sports at school. Like, we did PE, but I didn't really like get into the teams or anything. The only sport I did was horse riding, which I compete in during summer, and I steward and help out during winter. And I've done show jumping, dressage, hunting, which is a drag hunt. There's no following anything, it's just a scent. Just before anyone gets worried about it, it's just a scent, there is no fox. Ridden showing, in-hand showing, working hunter. I think that's all the disciplines I've done. And obviously like fun classes as well. I've done with my sister as well, which are always fun. So yeah, horse riding is the only really sport I've properly done. Oh, I also have done the Manchester 10k run 3 times, I think. Yeah. I don't know if that really counts as a sport because I hate to enter, but either way, I've done that a few times and that was actually really fun. It's hard but fun. My favourite animal is obviously a horse. I've always loved horses. I don't really know what attracts me to liking them so much. I just always have. And then my other favourite animal is a giraffe. Again, no idea why. I just like them. And I've never actually seen a real one. We went to the zoo once and because it was raining, they were all inside, so we never saw them. So I've never seen a real giraffe. I did German in high school up to GCSE, but obviously that was nearly 10 years ago now. I can remember bits, but I'm not fluent whatsoever. I don't think I could hold a conversation now. I'm trying to think what I can remember. Ich heiße Laura. Ich habe Unfurt. I can't remember anymore. I can count to like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is probably about the most I can remember. I really want to learn a new language though, and I don't really know what I want to learn. So if you have any ideas what language I should do, then let me know. I have 3 sisters. 2 are older than me, 1 is younger. I don't really have a favourite film. Like, I like so many different films and they're all completely different, like the opposite end of like the genre thing to each other. I sort of believe that if you have a favourite film, you're really going to watch that rather than watch something completely different and you might really enjoy it. And to me that's what I found, that I like so many different films, and I think I actually watch more films than TV series or TV in general. Basically, I just love films. This is hard because I had cats when I was younger. Well, from being about 11 till maybe 16, 17, we had cats. But then we got the dog that we've got now, Ollie, we got him and I absolutely love him, so I think I've definitely converted to more of a dog person. But yeah, I don't mind cats either, but I'm just a little bit more wary of them. But yeah, I definitely love dogs. I have iPhone 6s over there on my questions, and I love it. And my case has donuts on. I'm constantly changing the case though. I have so many places I want to visit. I literally just want to go everywhere. Like, me and my friend Alice were constantly looking at flights and where we want to go. One place I also want to go is America. Like, I think everyone wants to go there at least once, and that is definitely one place I really want to go. Like, I love to go to like Paris. I've never been there. I love to go to Italy. Here all day I started naming everywhere that I want to go because it's literally like everywhere. Like, there's no place that I don't really want to go to. I just want to see everywhere. Even if it's just once, then I'll be happy. I don't know if I really believe in ghosts or not. Like, I've never had a reason not to or that I should. So I'm not really very sure. I think I'd say more that I don't really believe in them. But then again, I could be proven wrong and I never really know. My star sign is I can't even say it. My star sign is Sagittarius, so that's the Archer, because I was born in December. And I think I am sort of similar to the star sign. Like, if you read what it's about, I think a lot of it is quite like what I'm like in my personality. The first app I check in the morning is definitely my emails. I always check that first, just in case it's something that needs to be replied to, or I don't know, something interesting. I always check emails first, and then I think after that it's definitely Instagram that I check next. And then, I don't know, sort of changes what I'm doing, what I check after that. But yeah, definitely email first. My favourite snack, I'm going to have to say crisps. I absolutely love them. It doesn't matter what the flavour is, I love crisps. There's not really much else I can say to that. But again, I don't mind chocolate every now and again. I can sort of leave it if I'm not that bothered, but yeah. I'm going to say probably Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Me and my sister can sing all the songs to that. Not very well, but we can sing them and we know all the words and like what order everything's happening in. Yeah, I think that's probably the film I know most of the words too. I don't like tea or coffee. I don't really like hot drinks in general. Sort of only hot drink that I like is hot chocolate, and that's very occasionally. I'm not like, yes, got to have it every day or whatever. But yeah, I don't really like tea or coffee. I love the smell of coffee though, so I sort of wish that I liked it. But yeah, I don't like the taste. I used to be able to play the violin from being, I think, about 6 till I was maybe 12, 13. The only reason I quit is that I didn't like the teacher I had in high school, which is such a stupid reason to stop playing it, because I absolutely loved it. And yeah, I kind of miss playing it now, because I got, well, okay, I wasn't the best, but I did get alright at it. And now I think about it, I sort of miss playing it, and I wish that I still could. Like, I still have it, I just have no idea how you tune it, how you check if like the strings are alright or anything. Okay, it's kind of gross, but I've like pulled the mascara off my eyelashes and it's disgusting, and I really wish I could stop doing it, but it's just a really bad habit. I don't think I do it as much as I did, especially since I started using like more skincare and using skincare brands and things. I've definitely not done it as much, but yeah, that is one thing that I do. I pull it off and it's horrible, and I really wish I didn't do it. And I don't really know why now I've put it on the internet, but there we go. So that is all the questions I've decided to answer today. You have to let me know if you like this, and maybe if you'd like me to do another with some different questions, or obviously you can ask me your own. I'd love to do like a Q&A one eventually. I don't know if anyone will ask me the questions, might be pointless. But yeah, I'd love to do something like that. I'd like to know what you want to know about me. And obviously, any suggestions for any videos? Would you like more chatty ones where I'm not doing makeup? Or would you like me to just stick to the makeup? I don't know. So I'd love to know what you think. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe, as I do a new video every Sunday. Normally try and get up about 7. It depends how well my internet is cooperating at that point. So I hope you like this, and I hope I didn't chat along too much for you and bore you to death. So I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!